Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Mansatu Kolaka. My name is Febriansyah Ananda Pratama.
I am Putri Ratika Wahyuni.
And I am Putri Aisyah YSIS.
Introduction. Burns occur due to physical contact with hot sources such as fire, hot weather, water vapor, hot oil, and other. Many factors can cause burns, one of which is our negligence. Generally, victims of burns are women and children. According to data obtained from WHO, it is stated women in Southeast Asia have the highest incidence of burns. 27% of the total number of this globally, nearly 70% of burns are women and children. Based on the 2013 basic health research, the prevalence of burns that occurred in Indonesia 0.7%. This prevalence is highest at age 1 to 4 years, Shuhar et al. 2015. Seeing from this data, the number of burn victims is quite high. Therefore, it is necessary to have medicine or ointment that can be found and easily made from natural ingredients. An ointment is a form of pharmaceutical dosage used on healthy, sick, or injured skin intended for topical effect. Ointment made from natural ingredients very good for our skin. One of the natural ingredients that can be used in making ointment is Gaharu plant. Utilization of
Agarwood leaves.
Aquilaria malaccencis Lamk.
as an ointment
For burns.
Mental methods. In this study, two methods were used, primarily literature study and research co-experimentation. Literature review. A literature study in the activity and regular selection by using documentation materials such as books, the internet, and others. Experimentation. In this study, experiments were carried out using tools and materials, namely a spoon, bowl, blender, basin, and the main ingredients used were agarwood, leaves, and vaseline. The agarwood leaf samples used in this study were taken from the district Bundulako, Kabupaten Kolaka, Southeast Sulawesi. The step for making the product at 1 was the agarwood leaves thoroughly dry the alloys in the oven. 2. The grind enough agarwood leaves in a blender until completely smooth. 3. On smooth. Put the olive leaves into the bowl. 4. Then mix vaseline with Gaharu leaves until it thickens, sticks as any ointment in general. And 5. After thickening the ointment.
Result and decision. Gaharu leaf ointment is an ointment made from agarwood and vaseline. Almost all people in Indonesia, especially in Kolaka region, haven't thought about processing agarwood leaves into a competitive ointment. Gaharu leaf ointment is a new innovative product that has never been thought of to process Gaharu leaf into the ointment. Aloe leaf ointment has a smooth texture, green color, and distinctive aroma from agarwood leaf. This ointment has a relatively long shelf life. Gaharu leaf ointment that can treat burns. Agarwood leaf ointment works for someone who has burn, time or day. First day, the wound is still wet. Second days, wounds were still wet. The 3 days, wounds begin to dry up. The 4th day, wounds were completely healed but left scars. Based on the table, it can be concluded that Gaharu leaf ointment can heal burns in approximately 4 days.
Conclusion. Gaharu leaf ointment is a product innovation that has never been made before. This ointment is a product that is very easy to make and the ingredients used are relatively easy to obtain. As for how to make burns ointment from Gaharu leaves, namely, wash the Gaharu leaf thoroughly, then dry the Gaharu leaf in the oven, then grind enough Gaharu leaf in a blender until completely smooth. Once smooth, put the Gaharu leaf into a bowl. After thickening, ointment is ready to use. Conflict of interest. Burn ointment from natural ingredients, namely agarwood surprising thing about our product is that this ointment is made from natural ingredients, namely Gaharu leaves and also the long shelf life of our ointment without using preservatives. This not cause side effect on the skin. This ointment also contains tannin extract, flavonoids, and terpenoids, which can treat burn vegetative nitrogen species produced by the microphage cell line Young et al. 2012.
Don't forget, beautiful sunset with cloudy skies.
Work hard in silence.
It doesn't matter how you grow up, slowly or